Corbin's high-capacity saddlebag doors for the Goldwing 1800 add more than 10 liters of storage to your Goldwing saddlebags, easily and effectively. Our saddlebag doors blend so well visually with the Goldwing bodywork that we had to paint one a different color for some of these pics, or you wouldn't even notice it's there. Yet on each side, the door is nearly 2 inches wider than stock, which give an additional 5.4 liters of storage on each side. In addition to the flawless design, the Corbin doors mount easily with no modification to the OEM bodywork. They function on your Goldwing's locking system and integrate with the existing bag stay and gas shocks seamlessly. Transferring the latching brackets from the OEM doors is accomplished easily with common hand tools. As you can see, it makes for a very nice look on the bike and actually makes the back of the bike appear more visually balanced with the Honda trunk. Nice, right? Want to see that again? The Corbin team has integrated the design geometry of the Goldwing to keep the bags flowing with the natural lines on the bike. Once installed, the Corbin doors operate just like the originals, using the Honda push-button release. The interior wall of the Corbin doors seals up flawlessly to the factory weather stripping. Naturally, we paint the doors at our factory to match your OEM color for a totally integrated look, so they are ready for trouble-free installation right out of the box. These Goldwing high-capacity doors for the 1800 are available exclusively at Corbin.com.